Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and today we'll be looking at how to actually set up the Wi-Fi camera bulb. And this bulb actually uses the Icam 365 app. And if you're looking at the manual will actually show you to actually scan this barcode in setting up the bulb. But we are not going to be using the barcode scan option because that's a bit difficult, because this barcode takes a while to be scanned, and if you don't give it enough light it won't actually scan. So I'll be showing you how to set it up without having to scan this particular barcode. So the first thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get this bulb powered on. So I'm going to screw it in. You can go ahead and do the same. Okay, so you screw it in the clockwise direction and it's good to go now. So what you should look for now that it's screwed in and powered on is that you're going to look for the bulb rotating and also making sounds. And while that's processing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Play Store and download the app, which is the Icam 365 app. So this is the Play Store, guys, and you type in Icam 365. This is how the app looks. You can always scan the code from the manual and it'll bring you right to the Play Store. And click on open. And I'm going to try to get signed up. Click on agree. Click on Gmail. Okay, this is something that we'll need to click on also. Let's tick this box. And then we can click on sign in with Gmail. Okay, select an email and enable. Okay, I'm gonna enable all notifications. Okay, click on the add icon, add a device, allow. Okay, so now you get an option.
Please scan the QR code on the machine body.
And it's referring to this QR code, guys. It's actually referring to this QR code. Let me turn it around so you can see. So referring to this, but it's very technical to actually scan. So we won't be scanning that. Instead, what we will do is that we will click on the option that says other ways to add. So we're going to click on that. Okay, so now that we have clicked on that, we're going to select the first option that says surveillance camera. We're going to select that. And we're going to click on where it says Wi-Fi camera. Okay, so we're going to click on where it says Wi-Fi hotspot add. Okay, you're going to click on that.
Please power on and click next when hearing the do sound.
Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and click next, guys.
Searching for devices, please wait.
Okay, so this is the device name, so you're good to go. Okay.
Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device, enter a Wi-Fi password, and click next.
Okay, so you're gonna select your Wi-Fi name and put in the password. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the password for my Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, let me click on join. Click on connect. So it's processing basically.
Try to put the router, the mobile phone, and the device as close as possible.
Camera startup. Wait for user config.
Okay, so it seems to be configuring.
Update configuration. Connect router.
Still taking its time to complete the process, but we will wait.
Connect cloud server. Please wait.
Okay, so
Device
now
added successfully.
it has been added. So let's just put in a name. Okay, so that is completed, and yeah, so we'll just click on not now because we're not gonna do any subscription, and you can just click on the image in front of you, and you are now able to access your camera. So that is how you'd actually set it up without having to scan the barcode, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you, take care, bye bye.